The PO transformer is the core component of a PO system. It can use a standard network cable, provide stable power to remote devices while transmitting data. The main components of the PO system are PSE and PD. The PSE controller only outputs 48 volts voltage after detecting that the connected load meets the power supply conditions. Provide electricity in full according to demand to ensure stable operation of equipment. Prevent damage or performance degradation due to insufficient power supply or overload. The PD controller supports hot swapping, allowing new PD devices to be connected directly without powering off. After the PD controller is connected, it automatically adapts to the standard PO load. Efficiently transmit electrical energy. When powered by PoE, the network transformer inside the PSE is responsible for injecting 48 volts DC into the network cable. And inside PD devices such as PoE cameras, extract 48 volts electricity through the network transformer and step it down to 5 volts, 12 volts via the PO power transformer. PoE power transformers have different power ratings, corresponding to the three main standards of IEEE 802.3. The intermediate bridging method uses the idle wire pairs for 5/8 and 7/8 in the Ethernet to transmit DC power. Data signals of different frequencies to achieve multiplexing of data transmission and current transmission. PoE is fully compatible with the two wiring schemes of PoE. The power supply pin definition has not been changed. The end-to-end bridging method uses the transmission data pairs 1/2 and 3/6 to transmit DC power simultaneously. The IEEE 802.3 BT standard uses an 8-core network cable to provide power simultaneously. Provide 40 W's approximately 9 OW power for PD devices. Meet high power supply requirements. PoE power supply standards are mainly divided into 4 types, corresponding to 8 power levels. Type 1 supports class 1-2-3 PSE output ranges from 4 W to 15.4 W, and PD actually receives between 3.84 W and 13 W. Type 2 only has class 4, PSE outputs 30 W, PD receives 25.5 W. Both Type 3 and Type 4 belong to the 802.3 BT standard. Type 3 corresponds to class 5 and 6, with power of 45 W and 60 W respectively, and the PD side receives 40 W and 51 W. Type 4 corresponds to class 7 and 8, with power reaching 75 W and 90 W, and PD receiving 62 W and 71.3 W. In terms of power supply, Type 1 and Type 2 only support 2-wire pair power supply. Type 3 and Type 4 support 2-pair or 4-pair power supply. For class 5 and above levels, 4-wire power supply is always used.